Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Inborn Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to monitor your GPU usage using Task Manager in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. GPU or Graphics Processing Unit in your device, specialized processor originally designed to accelerate graphics rendering. GPUs can process many pieces of data simultaneously, making them useful for machine learning, video editing, and gaming applications. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa taskbar ay kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then select mo lang dito yung Task Manager. So dito sa ating Task Manager ay naka-hide yung GPU monitor natin. Para makita natin yan ay dito lang sa status, so right click ka lang and then dito lang sa type, under nito ay select mo lang dito yung GPU, so i-click mo lang siya. At makikita mo na dito yung ating GPU monitor na dito na siya. Okay, so dito naman sa kanyang performance, pag click mo ito, ay makikita mo dito yung lahat ng ating monitor system natin. Alright, so nandito yung CPU monitor usage, memory, disk, Wi-Fi, and then yung GPU monitor usage natin. So makikita mo na dito kung paano siya nagwo-works or nagmo-monitor yung paggamit natin ng ating PC. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin i-monitor yung GPU usage using Task Manager in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.